Define your style. Take some time to figure out what type of fashion resonates with you. Browse magazines, websites, social media platforms, and fashion blogs to gather inspiration. Once you have an idea of the style that speaks to you, curate your wardrobe accordingly. Capsule wardrobe. Consider creating a capsule wardrobe, which consists of a limited number of versatile, high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. This approach encourages mindful shopping and reduces clutter in your closet. Healthy lifestyle choices. Fashion and lifestyle go hand in hand. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. A healthy body often translates to a confident and stylish appearance. Experimentation. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Experiment with different colors, patterns, accessories, and even hairstyles. Fashion is a form of self-expression, so embrace the opportunity to express yourself creatively. Sustainable fashion. Consider adopting a more sustainable approach to fashion. Invest in quality pieces that are made to last. Support brands with ethical and eco-friendly practices, and consider thrift shopping or clothing swaps to give new life to pre-loved items. Remember, fashion and lifestyle choices are personal and should align with your preferences and values. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin while expressing yourself through your choices.